change the final drive oil on the 2002 Kymco People 1. This is a pretty easy job. It only takes a couple minutes. What you're going to need is some good final drive oil. I like to use this right here. I've been using this for a long time. Lucas is good stuff for scooters. So I use that. And you're going to need a 12 millimeter wrench. You're going to be able to measure out 180 milliliters of fluid, but if you have a ratio right or an old mixing cup from the kitchen, that will work too. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so under the bike, if you look up here, right there, that's a 12 millimeter. You pull that out, and that will drain all of your fluid. And then we will take that one out. I believe that's also a 12 millimeter, and that's where we will fill it. And if you read right there, it says 0.18 liter. Alright, so that doesn't seem like it was very bad oil, but I just wanted to do it to get it done and make a video for everybody to see how to do it. This bolt here, and I already cracked it loose. And that's your fill hole. So I take this, put it in here. Alright, so you get your spare one, so when we take that, that will go right on top of that. Oh my gosh.
Oops. I kind of spilled a little bit of it, but...
And there you go. And last but not least, guys, when you do change your oil on these Kymco scooters, that I wouldn't do it before it hits 10,000. I've heard guys talk about 20,000 miles or kilometers or whatever. You start getting around a 10,000 number, just do it. I mean, you buy one bottle of that oil for about $17, and really you should be able to get about 100,000 miles out of one of those bottles until you're done with it, because it only takes a little bit. So, alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share, all that stuff, and if you don't, tell me why you don't like it.